Factors like stress, genetics, and unhealthy skin care can give rise to open pores. The skin loses its elasticity as you age, making the condition worse. There are many natural ways to minimize their occurrence. You can use home remedies to get rid of them. Take a glass of water, add 1 teaspoon of Fuller's Earth powder, and 1 teaspoon of gram flour. Mix them together, and pour the mixture in an ice cube tray, filling each section with it. Freeze it for about a couple of hours. Once frozen, remove the tray, and the cubes are ready to use. Take 1 ice cube, and rub it gently in a circular motion on your face. After that, apply a good quality moisturizer, to avoid dryness. If you have sensitive skin or extremely dry skin, avoid using ice cubes on your face. To use it safely, wrap an ice cube in a thin cotton cloth and use. Ice works as a simple and effective home remedy, to help shrink large pores due to its skin tightening effect. It is often used to minimize enlarged pores before applying makeup. It will also stimulate circulation, and promote healthier skin. Take about half a cup of rose water, and add 1 teaspoon of Fuller's Earth powder to it. Mix them well, and fill a spray bottle with it. Spray this concoction all over your face, and leave it on for about 5 to 10 minutes. Then, wash off with cool water. Later, moisturize your face to avoid dryness. Fuller's Earth is a useful natural remedy for open pores, as it absorbs excess oil and exfoliates the skin. In addition, it helps reduce scars and blemishes, and benefits sun-damaged skin. Take 1/2 banana, and cut it into small cubes. Then, put them in a mixer jar, and blend them to a smooth paste. Now, take 1 to 2 teaspoons of smooth banana paste, and add 1 teaspoon of honey. After that, break open a green tea bag, and add tea powder to the paste. Mix all the ingredients well. First, cleanse your face with a mild cleanser, and then apply the paste on your face. Leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes, then wash off with cool water. Your face will instantly feel smooth and clean. You can use this mask 2 to 3 times in a week. Green tea is rich in antioxidants that clear up your skin and make it healthy and glowing. It absorbs the impurities and clears blackheads quickly. Bananas are full of antioxidants, which not only help remove dead skin cells, but also leave your skin feeling new, fresh and rejuvenated. They are great natural moisturizers for your skin. These were some of the best remedies to tighten large pores. I hope you liked the video. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.